everyone! Today I'm going to show you the easiest and simplest ways to wrap your gifts or your Christmas gifts. Hi lovelies! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Trisha. I make cleaning, organizing, and lifestyle videos. If you're into these kinds of stuff, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click the red button down below, and you can also follow me on my Instagram and my Facebook pages. Their links are in the description box below. In this video, I'm going to show some minimalist gift wrapping ideas or the simplest and easiest ways to wrap your gifts or your Christmas gifts. Now, when you say minimalist, it not only means simple, but it also means eco-friendly, zero waste, and functional. I am all about simplicity. I wear a few to no makeup every day. I don't wear any pieces of jewelry except for my engagement and my wedding rings, of course. And my fashion style is a simple shirt and jeans or a simple slip-on dress. In short, I wouldn't say I like to complicate things as much. That's why I love looking for minimalist designs and I love decluttering. So today, I want to show you how to wrap your Christmas presents in the simplest and easiest ways possible.
I also would like to give a shout out to these wonderful people who left a comment on my previous posts and videos, especially to Angel Kamay, Lani P, and Candidly She. Thank you so much guys for your support. If you'd like to be featured on my next video, just leave a comment on any of my videos.
So this is everything that we're going to need today. First is I have a brown paper gift wrap and I also bought a black one. I went for the brown paper one because this is the most eco-friendly gift wrap that you can use for gift wrapping, or you can choose a black one. You can also opt for a fabric gift wrap. However, this is a little bit more expensive compared to the paper ones. These items that I have here are all from last year. I used these to decorate our hot cocoa bar, but I saw this today while I was scavenging for items to use. I could use these old Christmas decors as a decoration for my gift wraps, for my gifts. These are also from last year, so instead of using like plastic ribbons or silk ribbons, you can use paper ribbons instead. You can use fabric ribbons as well. For this year, I only bought these three gift wrappers and this fabric gift wrap. So these are wrapping paper band rolls, and I think I'm also going to use these pine cones which fell from our Christmas tree. So I'll try and use these to incorporate in wrapping our gifts. I have here old boxes which I will be wrapping. So I learned how to wrap gifts back when I was young. It was my dad who would wrap our Christmas gifts for our classmates or for our friends, and I used to help him. I was the one helping him with cutting the tape. I always watch him how to wrap Christmas gifts or how to wrap gifts. I was the one who took the place of my father in wrapping the Christmas gifts or wrapping gifts, and I actually enjoyed wrapping gifts. I don't know why I enjoyed it, but I have to tell you guys that I am not a pro. I know how to wrap them, but I am not a pro at it. So please bear with me if this is not the most perfect gift wrapping video that you will be seeing, but I just would like to share this video because I want to show you the simplest ways that you could wrap your gifts. And if ever you don't know, actually don't have any idea where to start or how to wrap Christmas gifts or how to wrap gifts in general, so you can watch this video. I will give you the basics, but please don't expect too much. I will try to be as creative as I can be. So this is basically just brown paper and it's also quite thin. Let's size it up first.
After measuring the proportion of the box to the gift wrap, we can now start folding the paper. Right here, I'm making sure that I'll be able to cover the crooked edge of the paper with this straight edge. I stick the tape directly on the paper since the paper on the front will cover it up anyway. And then as to this other fold, I'm attaching the scotch tape underneath the edge of the wrapper. You could use a double-sided tape for a cleaner look, but if you don't have one, you can use a regular tape instead. Now I'm folding these sides of the paper inward, creating 45-degree angle flaps, and then we have to secure the fold using the Scotch tape. There you go. Of course, this is good enough if you're going for a straightforward gift wrapping design, but you could add a little bit of decoration on it, like a simple bow or twig or ribbon. Like here, I'm wrapping this fabric ribbon around the box, creating this style. I tied the ribbon so there's no need to tape it. And then, to add a pop of color, I'm using this bow to secure the ribbon. I'm just repeating the same steps here, so I won't go over it as much. Now, the funny thing here is that I didn't know that this band wrap that I purchased promotes restricted item, which I wouldn't be mentioning anymore. But if you get what this says and the designs around it, then you already know what it is. When I bought it, I didn't closely pay attention to what's written on it. I just liked the color. And honestly, I never expected the stationery store to sell this, so I trusted the store. So I had to cut out the restricted part, and for the sake of this video, I'm still going to use it, but just know that I'm not into nor promoting restricted items in this channel. Anyway, there you go guys, this is one way to wrap your gifts. Let's move on to the next design. Now, this design is effortless to do. All you have to do is to place the gift or box diagonally on the fabric wrapper and then tie the opposite sides together.
The leaves are so unchanging. Oh, Christmas tree.
Again, to add a pop of color, I'm going to insert this cherry twig inside the knots and add this extra bow that I have left to be more creative on it. For this gift, I'm just going to wrap the red paper ribbon on it for a much simpler look.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, such pleasure do you bring me.
And for this black gift, I thought this red striped paper ribbon would entirely conceal this opening right here. I'm going to secure the ribbon with tape, and then I'm going to add a cherry twig to add more glamour on the design. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if you do like it, please let me know by leaving a comment down below. You can also watch my previous video talking about the Filipino Christmas traditions that I grew up with. I'll link it in the description box below. Happy Christmas, and see you guys on the next one.